Hello guys, this is Imtiaz Ali. Today I will show you how to set up Java environment on Windows 10 operating system. First of all, you need to download Java environment from the link that I will provide you on description and set the path variable. So guys, let's get started. From Oracle website, you can download Java. My system is 64-bit. You can download 32-bit and 64-bit also. Guys, I have downloaded already Java 8 on my Windows operating system. So I will show you. You can download from here. First you need to click accept the license of Oracle for downloading Java setup. After that you will require Oracle profile. I have already logged in, so I don't need any login credentials for downloading the setup. So I have already downloaded, so I am cancelling it. You can see the path, the folder of Java. First of all, for setup Java path variable, you have to copy the path. Now type environment. You will see the environment system environment variables. Click on this. Now environment variable. Here you can search path variable. Click on path variable and copy paste the path of JDK. Now also you need the path of bin and paste here. For looking out that Java is installed on your system or not, you can verify. Type cmd and in cmd type Java minus version. You can see Java 8 is installed on my system. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care.